We will solve this equation step by step, with every move shown clearly. Sine to the fourth of x over 2 plus cosine to the fourth of x over 3 equals 1/5. Step 1. Use the Pythagorean identity and a single variable. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Let y equal sine squared x, so cosine squared x is 1 minus y. Then sine to the fourth x becomes y squared, and cosine to the fourth x becomes 1 minus y, all squared. Substitute to get a single equation in y. Step 2. Clear denominators. The least common multiple of 2, 3, and 5 is 30. Multiply both sides by 30. Simplify the coefficients to get 15 y squared plus 10 times 1 minus y squared equals 6. Step 3. Expand, distribute, and combine like terms carefully. First expand the square. 1 minus y squared equals 1 minus 2y plus y squared. Substitute and distribute the 10. 15y squared plus 10 minus 20y plus 10, y squared equals 6. Combine like terms. 25y squared minus 20y plus 10 equals 6. Move 6 to the left. 25y squared minus 20y plus 4 equals 0. Step 4. Recognize a perfect square. 25y squared minus 20y plus 4 is the square of 5y minus 2. So left side equals 0, gives parentheses 5, y minus 2 squared equals 0. Thus 5y minus 2 equals 0, giving y equals 2/5. Step 5. Translate back to trigonometry and verify. We set y equals sine squared x, so sine squared x equals 2/5. Then cosine squared x equals 1 minus 2/5, which is 3/5. Finally, check the original equation numerically. 2/5 squared over 2 is 2 over 25. 3/5 squared over 3 is 3 over 25. Their sum is 5 over 25, which equals 1/5. Verified. Summary. Using the identity sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, we reduced to a single variable, cleared denominators, expanded and combined, factored a perfect square, and obtained a unique solution for the squares. Sine squared x equals 2/5 and cosine squared x equals 3/5. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time, only on muyversemaths.